you're looking for your nearest Y-strap doctor, just visit my website, drjosephcipriano.com. Put the tab locations and you'll be able to find doctors that perform the Y-strap adjustment near you. And if you're a fellow chiropractor out there watching and you use the Y-strap also, visit the site, find out how you can be listed on here as well. Hi everybody, Dr. Joseph Cipriano here, and I think everybody knows my wife about
Mama
now.
Cip.
Alright, so obviously these times going on with COVID-19 has a lot of businesses, just everything shut down. People staying in their homes, not really being out at all. Today, I figured we needed to get my wife adjusted. Now, we literally, I say we, but you gave birth.
Yes, we.
We gave birth.
It's actually a month today. She's a month old.
So we've got now a 1 month little girl at home. And so it's been probably maybe a month and a half or at least 5 weeks since you've been adjusted?
No, closer to 2 months, I'd say.
No.
So it's about 8 months when you adjusted me last.
Okay. Well,
it's been a minute.
Okay, so about 2 months being adjusted, but we haven't really came to the office in a while. So first time in the office in a long time. And so we're going to go through, do a little bit of everything. Now, obviously, patients, women out there that I guess have or have not been to a chiropractor, especially a very important time is during and after pregnancy.
Absolutely.
Obviously, you know the changes that your body went through. I'm just a little over a month ago, you had a baby inside of you. A lot of times what women don't realize, when you deliver your child, there is a ton of change. Your pelvic is opening up. Muscles, ligaments, things are loosening to allow your body to actually open up. And what happens is after, you want to make sure that you get back into proper alignment, so everything, starts to, you get back to where you were pre even pregnancy.
Well, and it goes from you carrying the baby up in the front with lower back pain and hip pain to you nursing or pumping and you're always bent forward. Over. So it's more like upper mid-back pain. So it kind of switches up, but your body does go through a tremendous amount of just pain and in general just change. So it's definitely good to get adjusted by either your local chiro or
myself.
This great chiropractor right here.
Let me have you lay face down on the table.
Great.
Let's check the leg length, scan the body. Perfect. Okay. So as everyone knows, I always scan the body. We're going from the cervical spine up top, then going to go all the way down. We're going to check the leg length. I scan the symmetry, so I always look everything from the right side of the spine to the left side. And you just scan the entire body. So we'll start, let's check the leg length here. So when we bring the legs together, honestly, it's not too bad. I'll even give a little pull. Too short for the legs to hang off, but yeah, when we bring the feet together, it's honestly not too bad. I mean, you'll notice a little bit pulling a little bit shorter on the right than the left. We're gonna come up here. So I want to palpate. I just want to feel the tonicity between muscles compared bilaterally here. So when we start up top, let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with anything.
Okay. It's all just kind of muscle tightness.
Okay. Good. Okay. So for her, I am gonna have you sit up for me.
Too much hair.
Okay. So we're gonna start off with that upper thoracic, that lower cervical. She likes me doing this adjustment seated instead of laying face down like I normally do. Okay.
That felt so good.
There we go. Good. Go face down again for me, please. Leg length is still looking good. Okay. So we're going to come right in through here. Take a deep breath in and out. Drop down a little bit here. One more time. Deep breath in and out. There we go. Good. Okay. Let me get you to sit up on the table for me, and then I'll have you straddle the table. One leg on either side. Perfect. Bring one arm up, bring the other one up. Keep your thighs to the table for me.
Oh.
There we go.
Those are great.
Okay. Go face down. I want to check the sacrum. Okay. So from here, we're going to stabilize on the sacrum. What I'm going to have you do, I want you to raise your right leg up for me as high as you can. Any issues with that?
Just a little tight. Nothing out of the ordinary.
Compared to the left side?
Yeah, the left is harder.
Left is harder? Mm-hmm. Okay. So I'm going to have you cross. Actually, first, let me get you to drop down on the table just a little bit. Perfect. All right, cross your left foot over your right foot. And then we're going to bring the table up here. We're going to do drops on that sacrum. Uncross. Bend that knee. Okay. Raise that leg up again.
Yeah, that's easier.
Easier?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. Leg length is still good there. Okay. So I know that you haven't, well, as you told me, it's been about 2 months since the adjustment. I want to do a side posture, so I want you to lay on your side. Yep, face me first. Good. Leg. Good, good.
Tight.
The seated one already got it.
Oh, that got so much.
Yeah, I just want to see if there's anything left here. Just that a little bit. Okay.
No baby one.
On your back for me.
Okay.
Alright, so I am going to remove your shoes because I know you want feet, ankles, everything done here.
Full service.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're going to do the leg pulls first. Do a little bit of shearing of the forefoot. Good. Okay. Next leg.
Oh, sorry.
Relax, relax. There we go. Scoot back just a little bit. Good. Okay. Let's get these little toes here as well. Good. Okay. Come on up. And I'll have you stand up.
Okay.
And I'll have you turn your face this way. Hip arms up. Okay. Squeeze your elbows together. Lean back.
Oh, wow.
Good.
That was awesome.
That's that.
I got that exact spot that I was talking about.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Take a seat. Yeah, that gets the intercostals, just kind of opens that rib cage up real nice for you. Especially as a pregnant, well, not pregnant anymore, but with breastfeeding.
Yeah,
you're
when I'm
kinda
nursing, I'm always like
hunched
this.
over, so.
Gotta work on that posture.
Alright. One arm up, one arm up. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Alright. Relax right there. Now we're going to use the Y strap. So with this, we're going to decompress the spine.
I'll help you with the hair.
Yeah, you know I need help with that. You got too much hair. Okay. Okay.
Ooh.
And breathe. Deep breath in and out. What did you feel?
Greatness. That never gets old. I felt it literally in the spots that I needed.
Did you?
It was like the neck and then it basically from here up.
Okay. Kind of like the upper of the lower back.
Mm-hmm.
Going up. And relax right there. You can actually turn the face to front. Perfect.
Makes my ears itch.
How do you feel?
Amazing. Brand new.
Good. Perfect.
Good.
So everyone out there, I know obviously with everything going on with COVID-19, some chiropractors are open, some aren't. A lot of businesses are shut down right now anyways, but when you can, get back in, you'll see, obviously you guys know how I do my full body adjustments. Many chiropractors out there that do that. I also have on my site other Y-strap doctors that you could find. So if you go on my page and you can find your nearest Y-strap doctor, so you can go ahead and look at that. But yeah, we're here for you, and hopefully soon this is all gonna pass and normal life will return. But
yeah, stay safe out there, you guys.
have a good one, everybody.